Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Monday, February 25th of 2019. Here are some morning announcements for today. For today, it is also the start of the last trimester. So we have made it to the last trimester of the school year. So this is the last one, so that brings us all the way to the end of the year. So the end of May for all of you for student attendance. So let's make this the best trimester yet and make sure that we do the best that we possibly can. With the start of this trimester means that report cards will be going home soon. So report cards will be going home this Friday, which would be March 1st. So look forward to that coming home on Friday. For birthdays, we do have some February birthdays, actually one birthday to announce that happened over the weekend. That was Samaje Cooper, so his birthday was on the 23rd. And then that would be it. So that's the only birthday to announce for today. So until tomorrow. And then for lunch choices, we have corn dog, popcorn nuggets with cookie, or sun butter and jelly sandwich. And continuing with our last day of our kindness that we were kind of celebrating last week, we have first grade students here to talk about what things could be kind for them.
All right, boys and girls, we're finishing up our kindness week. So there we have some first grade students here who to tell some things about kindness.
Don't lie to your teacher and don't hit anybody. Be nice all the time. If someone falls, I will help them up.
Those are great suggestions. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, and at this time, let's take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure you're standing and have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job. Thank you very much for that, for our Pledge of Allegiance. And remember, boys and girls, let's make great choices today. The choices are yours, so let's go out there and make some good ones.